How to do a boomerang on Snapchat. To do that, firstly, make sure that your Snapchat is updated to its latest version. For that, go on the Google Play Store on your phone. On the Google Play Store, you can search for Snapchat on the search bar icon. After you search for Snapchat, if you see there any update option, then you can update your Snapchat to its latest version. If not, then you can just open your Snapchat as it is. After you open your Snapchat as it is, to create the boomerang effect, you can just make a short video from Snapchat. You can also choose your favorite filter to make the video. After you make the video, at the right side in many options, you can see you can just mute the sound from there. And at last you will see an arrow icon there. Click it few times unless you see the option of loop. After you see the option of loop, your boomerang video is already completed. Now, you can share this boomerang video with your friends. You can also post this video in your story publicly or friends only, where you can choose your friends. I hope you learned how to create a boomerang video from Snapchat by this video. If this video helped you and you like this video, then please do subscribe our channel.